Kyanite 7. This Lemken marvel of tiller has robust 3-point linkage for heavy work and less vibration. Specially designed and folded mainframe provides high stiffness. Heavy-duty gearbox and greased side gear transmission runs for more duration. Smartly placed adjustable rod and unique shape of trailing board functions wonderfully for best leveling effect. The long-lasting blades made from boron steel and its unique geometry results in less load on tractor.